to make it through and rise above when the rain falls down. But it's so hard to be strong when you've been missing somebody so long.